Good morning, students. I am Kuldeep Singh. Today I am explaining you the very important topic of physics class 9, that is 2C exercise. Today I am going to explain the topics equation of motion. As this topic is very important and I am sure that one of the equation they will ask either in the terminal exam or in the final exam. So this topic is very important, I can say. So two ways are there. One way is alternative method and second way is graphical method. Let us discuss first of all about the graphical method. So in the motion, always the velocity in the y-axis and time on the x-axis. So when the body starts from first some few points, that point is called as a initial point and it is denoted as u, and where the body reached, that is the final point, and we can denote as v. So acceleration, if we want to find acceleration, is we can find from the slope of the line AB. In the previous video we have discussed about the slope, how to find the slope, that is the point on the toward the y-axis and toward the x-axis, upon the x-axis. So that is A is equal to parallel to the y-axis, A is equal to EB upon AE. So EB is equal to, we can say about AC, EB is equal to AC, and AE is equal to OD. We can write as EB is equal to AC upon OD. So what is AC? Full AC. We can write, it is O to C, that is V, and O to A, that is U. So we can write as OC minus OA. Then we will get AC. So AC is equal to, we can write OC minus OA. O to C, that is value of V, and O to A, that is value as U. So our formula is V minus U upon OD. What is OD? That is time, that is T. So V minus U upon T is equal to A. So when we cross multiply, so we can cross multiply over here. A is equal to V minus U upon T. So cross multiply A to V. A multiplied T, that is AT, is equal to V minus U. So first formula we are having V is equal to U plus AT. Same as second formula, distance S, distance is denoted as S, that is traveled in time T, that is equal to area of trapezium OABD. So these two equations, firstly we can split the trapezium into two parts, that is this is trapezium. So let us see the trapezium OABD. This is two sides are parallel and this is the altitude. So this is in second formula we can split the trapezium into two parts. One is rectangle and second part is triangle. So area of rectangle OAED plus area of triangle ABE. So what is the formula of area of rectangle? That is length into breadth. So length is OA into OD. So what is the value of OA? OA is U and OD is T, that is U into T. What is the formula of area of triangle? Area of triangle, that is half into base into height. So we can take like this, half into base. What is base? EB. What is height? AE. So we can write, so half into BE, that is V minus U into AE. So don't make mistake that what is BE. So BE, in the first we have written that BE is equal to AC and AC is equal to OC minus OA, then that is V minus U, and same I have put here. So half into BE value is V minus U and into AE is t. So v minus u into t. V minus u. What is v minus u here? So here in the first formula, every equation, all the equations are interrelated. So v minus u value is a t. So we can put ut plus half into v. Instead of v minus u, we will put at. Then t. So at into t, that formula becomes s is equal to ut plus half at square. Okay. So this is the second equation we have solved. And let us discuss about the third equation, that is S is equal to area of trapezium. As I told that second equation we can split the trapezium, then in third we cannot split, but we will put the formula. What is the formula of area of trapezium? That is half into sum of parallel sides into altitude. So as I told you that parallel sides OA and DB is the parallel sides. So S is equal to half into OA, that is sum of parallel side OA plus DB into altitude. What is altitude? That is AE. So AE, that is T. So half into OA value is, what is the value of OA? That is U. Then DB, what is the value of DB? That is full value, that is V, U plus V into T. So T we have already taken. So this from here, and from the first equation, AT is equal to V minus U. From here we can find out the T is equal to V minus U upon A. So we will put T is equal to V minus U upon A. So in this formula, S is equal to half into U plus V into V minus U upon A. So here we can put a formula A minus B, A square plus B square is equal to A plus B and A minus B. So same formula I have put here. So that is U plus V into V minus U, that is V square minus U square upon A. So 2 base, what is the denominator? LCM, 2 into A into S, cross multiply, that is 2AS is equal to V square minus U square. So V square is equal to U square plus 2AS is the third equation. These are the graphical equation, and on your book some alternative methods are given. So these alternative methods, if in the exam they have asked that solve it graphically, then you have to solve like that. If they have simply asked that solve this equation, prove that equation, then anyway you can prove it by alternative method also. So same way, A is equal to formula, that is final velocity minus initial velocity upon t, V minus U upon t, that is cross multiply V minus U into AT. So V is equal to AT. And second, distance is equal to average velocity. You know average velocity. How to find average velocity? Initial velocity plus final velocity upon t into time. So initial velocity is U, final is V upon 2 into t. So we can put V is equal to, instead of V, this V, we can put the value V is equal to U plus AT. So U plus U, that is 2U plus AT. 2 then split this term, okay, multiply and split 2UT upon 2, that is 2 and 2 cancel but becomes UT. Then AT square upon 2, that 1 upon 2 we can write. So S is equal to UT plus half AT square. So then in third formula, distance is equal to average velocity into time. Same way, U plus V upon 2 into t, and here we can put the adjust the value of t. So t is equal to V minus U upon A in the same as in the graphical way. So S is equal to U plus V upon 2, and this is the value of t, that is V minus U. Same formula we can apply, A plus B into A minus B, that is V square minus U square upon 2A, then into S, V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. So V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. Students, these three cases are very important. So try to solve this on the copy, and these three equations derivations are very important. Try to solve it and on the copy and make a perfect students. Thank you.